Hey, have you been struggling to get results with email marketing and you want to increase your open rate so you can get more sales with your emails or your paid traffic? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I am a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online using different traffic strategies and ways that will help them to grow their business. So in this video, I'm going to go over a domain that I've been warming up, and I'm going to show you exactly the results that I've been getting as far as replies and everything that you need to know to be able to get better results with your email marketing. Because if you haven't been getting good results with your email marketing, chances are that people are not seeing your emails. And if you're sending out emails and they're landing in spam, then that means nobody's actually seeing your emails. And what I want to do is actually help you so you can get results with email marketing and understand exactly what to do to be able to get those results. So if you've been sending to your entire list, it's probably killing your domain right now, and you want to stop. You don't want to send emails to your entire email list, or that will hurt your domain, right? So as you can see right here, this is a new domain that I've had within the past 7 days. And here's some of the results. It's a high domain. You can see it started on the 3rd. Today is the 8th. And it's only been a short time. Like, this is a week's worth of data. And, basically, it's a high domain reputation. That means my emails are landing in the inbox, not going to spam. And people are actually seeing the emails. And I want to show you the campaign. And this applies no matter if you're using Aweber, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, or any other email service provider. That's a top leading email service provider. So as long as you have an email service provider that is one of the top ones, one of the good ones, then you're able to get these results as well. So as you can see, I sent 287 people got this email. Out of those 287 people who got the email, 267 open. That's a 93% open rate. It's not an opt-in rate, that's an open rate. And then out of those 267 people, 198 people actually, clicked on the link in the email, which is a 69% click-through rate, which is very, very high. Typically, people get anywhere from 11% open rate in their email to 20% open rate if they're really good, right? So but if you get anywhere above that, that's phenomenal, right? So this is a new domain that I'm warming up. So I pretty much suggest that people warm up their domains before they actually start sending out emails, so you could get a high open rate and so that your emails can land in the inbox. And a lot of times people aren't checking this stuff. If you need help doing this, that's something that I could do for you. All you got to do is reach out to me, or you can get onto my email list. Just click on the link below this video, and you'll be able to get on my email list. If you're on YouTube, if you're on Facebook, just go to my YouTube channel, and you'll be able to get onto my email list. In the description, I'm going to have links. Just know that these are the stats, and out of these stats right here, you can see all these people are engaging right here. All these people have replied saying that they got the email and everything like that. And then I have people who are asking for more information. So in here, there's people that are asking for more information. So right here, it says, hi, please give me more info. Here's somebody else that responded to this email as well in Spanish. I don't know Spanish, so I'm not able to actually respond to that email. But I could write back in English, and hopefully they understand. And, basically, so there's people asking for more info, right? So when you send out emails, you want to get replies. You want people who actually have an interest in what you have to offer, people that are replying, people that are actually engaged on your email list. Engagement is very important. It's more important than the size of your email list is the engagement. And right here, I just got an offer to contribute. So basically, within my funnel builder tool, I can actually manage people's funnels. So this funnel builder tool is a funnel builder tool that I built my entire traffic store off of as a traffic provider, as an e-commerce store. You could do different things. So if you've been trying to figure this whole thing out, you need the email service provider to send out your emails. Then they need a place to go, like a capture page. So here's where they would go to be able to capture the leads. So this is exactly what you want in this funnel builder tool right here. It's really cool because it allows me to manage people's funnels, and I don't even need funnel access. I could manage these people's funnels. These are people that I have access to their funnel. And here's my traffic store right here. So I could toggle between people's funnels and be able to help them if they ever have any issues. So if you would sign up and you would use this funnel builder tool for $25 per month, you would get me to be able to support you in your funnel building. And also, if you have any issues, if you have any tech issues, I could easily help you and easily assist you to be able to get results with your funnels. And this is exactly how it works. So you need to be building an email list, and this builder is really easy. It's drag and drop, not too confusing. You just come in here and you edit a box and everything like that, and that's how it works. And so that's typically what you want when you have a funnel builder tool. You want something that's easy and that you can actually help people if they have any issues. You can have funnel builder access to your team members' funnels as well. So this is $25 per month. You get a $20 per month in residual income. If you're interested in getting this funnel builder tool, just click on the link below this video. Go to one of my funnels, opt into the list, and you'll be able to get your hands on this builder and also get the support that you need to be able to design pages like a pro. Now I'm going to show you a lot of people have to pay for stuff like this. So pretty much I'm going to show you exactly what the stuff is. So basically you can build out all kinds of different pages. You could build out membership pages. You can do all that stuff. And we have a template club that has different templates. So all you got to do is copy them and you can edit them to use. So you don't have to design anything. We have very nice professional pages designed for you. So all you got to do is come in here and you could look at these pages and you could select them, and then you can edit them the way that you want, and you can actually use them for whatever offers that you have. So it doesn't matter if you want to build your own products, if you want to build a membership site for people and have a residual income that way. If you want to build a network marketing or affiliate marketing business, you can use this funnel builder tool. You can make $20 per month in residual income for anybody using it, and you could get my support as well. So it works out very, very good because there's tons of different professional pages done for you that you would have to pay hundreds and thousands of dollars to actually get your hands on. If you wanted to get work done like this, it would be very, very pricey. Right here is the professional work that you can get your hands on just by having the $25 per month funnel builder tool. And this is something that you can use with any kind of business. We also do daily hands-on coaching live by Zoom. So not only are you able to capture leads, you're able to know different traffic strategies of how to get traffic and everything like that. We do daily coaching, so if you ever get stuck, you ever have any questions, you could come on a Zoom call Monday through Friday. You could watch what we do over the shoulder as we do marketing and know exactly how we're getting leads to these pages, and then ask your questions. When you go and you sign up for the funnel builder tool, there's going to be a checkbox. You're just going to want to check that box and get the 2 weeks free of coaching, right? So you get 2 weeks free of coaching when you sign up for this funnel builder tool. So you get the funnel builder tool, you get 2 weeks free of coaching. So you could come on, you could get your support, you could get your questions answered. And if you ever get stuck, we're here to help you as well. Now, I suggest you come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. If you've been struggling to get results, you're going to want to come over here and get some traffic. When you get traffic from me, I want to make sure that your offers and everything that you're promoting gets good traffic. So your sales and everything that you have is going to depend on the quality of traffic that you get. You want to get the best quality traffic possible. And you want to make sure that your capture page and your sales copy are congruent with the offer, which means they're in alignment. So when people are coming to your pages, it actually makes sense to them, right? And they're coming for a purpose. They're getting exactly what they came for, and they know what you have just based on what they're seeing, right? And most importantly, you want to make sure that the traffic sources of the traffic that you're getting is high quality, and you need to know who you're buying from, right? So when you get traffic from me, you're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus solo ads, and CPA marketing. And then we help you to actually get engagement. So when people buy traffic from me, I tend to get them above a 50% opt-in rate. I can't promise that, but that's my goal, is to get you above a 50% opt-in rate, because you're getting at least half your leads, if not more. My highest to date is 90% opt-in rate. This says 85%, but I have a testimonial below. On this page, it says 90%. That only happened one time, but it's good because I could say that I got somebody a 90% opt-in rate with sales, which is really cool. But I like to put this information out there so you know, and it's all out and open. And I want you to get, highly targeted leads. And to be able to do that, you need to be able to understand how to track your leads and your opt-in rate, your conversion rate, things like that, so you know that the traffic you're getting is actually worth you getting and it's actually quality. So that's what I help you to understand. And I want to help you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. Like I was saying, if they're not engaging on your email list, then they're just costing you money. They're hurting your domain reputation. So buying cheap traffic is not always the answer. And I'd stay away from buying cheap traffic, because cheap traffic is going to get you cheap results, and you don't want to get cheap results, right? You want to get good results. You want to be able to get results that last over time. So how this all works is in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is you can select the traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. 100% tier 1 is always going to be your best option. It's your highest quality traffic with 100% English speaking countries. And you're not going to get any third world kind of countries if you get 100% tier 1 traffic. And then we do a campaign review. So we'll look over your funnel. We'll actually hop on a Zoom call so I can give you feedback. You'll be able to talk to me, answer any questions that you have, and I'll be able to help you get those high conversion rates that you've always been wanting to get. I'll be able to help you with your domain. If you're having issues with your domain, I'll be able to help you to get into the inbox so you're not just wasting money. And I'll show you how to do your tracking the proper way, so that way you know when you go and buy traffic, the source that it comes from. You'll know all your stats. You'll be able to track your stats, and you'll be very well educated. So you'll know where you're profiting at and where you're losing money at, right? So that's very important to know those stats. If you don't know those stats and you're just running traffic blindly. So just the call alone is worth getting a traffic package from me. And then step 3 is we do your campaign launch within 3 days. But if you order a traffic package from me and you book the call, it's going to be after your call. So you book the call, your traffic is going to run after your call. So just keep that in mind. So it may actually be longer than 3 days. Depending on if you book the call or not, I'd highly suggest booking the call. It comes with your order, and you're going to get a lot of value from it. I try to give you the most amount of value that I can, because you ordered something from me and you spent money with me. And anybody who spends money with me, their first priority, and I want to give them as much value as I could possibly do. Right. So here's one of the testimonials right here that I was telling you about. 90% opt-in rate with 3 sales, right? And this is from 200 clicks, 3 sales right here. And there's plenty of other testimonials right here. So you want to take a look at these for yourself. And here's the 90% tier 1 traffic. Here's 100% tier 1. Here's some of the questions that people have. So if you have questions, chances are your questions may be down in this section right here. So take a look down here. And here's my guarantee to you. My guarantee to you is 100% real traffic. No fake clicks, no bots, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And one thing about me is I will help you with whatever you need. If you get stuck, if you have issues with your order, I will help you, but I cannot issue refunds. So understand that if you order traffic from me, I do not issue refunds because it is paid traffic, but I will help you with your order and you will get exactly what you order. No matter what, I will actually help you, and I think that I over deliver in value when it comes to helping people. So, I give you a strategy call and I give you feedback and I actually help you to get results. That's the difference between ordering from me and ordering from somebody else. Is I want you to get results and I care about your results. And if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, you can always leave them down here and I will get back to you. Or you can reach out to me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta. And if you click on the link below this video, it goes to my Facebook group. Then you can actually get into the Facebook groups. It's a free group, and you'll notice that I'm in there. You can write me a message from there. If you have any questions, you can write me a message on Facebook, or you can write me a message on this page. Either way, I'm going to respond to you and give you the feedback that you need, right? So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos that I upload like this. Also, make sure you click on the link below this video to come to this traffic store and you can order your traffic package today. Also, get into the free Facebook group. The link is below this video as well. And make sure if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, you leave them below. I will answer your questions, concerns, or comments. Just leave your comments below so that way I can get to them and I can respond to you and I can give you any feedback that you need. All right. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.